Hi, I'm Professor Susan DeGise. This tutorial is on Practice 2.2D. Directions. Write the pitches on the staff using quarter notes. Be sure to use accidentals when necessary and to avoid them when unnecessary. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to do number 1, and you can follow along, or you can pause the video and do all 12 on your own. So number 1 asks for F-sharp 4. So first I need to find F4. Directions say use quarter notes. So I'm going to write my F here, and then I'm going to add a sharp in front of it. Okay, go ahead and do numbers 2 through 12 on your own. Pause the video and press play when you're ready. Okay, number 2 is an F5, so that's going to be an octave higher. And because it's a different octave, I need to rewrite that accidental. Number 3 is F-sharp 4. It goes back down here. Do I need to add an accidental? No. So that's why the directions say to avoid accidentals when unnecessary. So if you put an accidental here, it would actually be very confusing because the musician would assume that there was not a sharp previously, but there is. So make sure you do not add an accidental here. Okay, number 4, we have F4, so we're going to put this here. Now, I'm going to be nice, and I'm going to add my courtesy accidental. Okay, just because we had a couple of F sharps right before, it's very nice for the performer to know this is indeed natural. Number 5 asks for a B flat 4, so here's B4, and we're going to add a flat in front of it. We have another B flat 4, so I'm going to write this here. Do I add another flat? No, I just leave it as is. Number 7 is asking for a B flat 4, so I'm going to put it here. Do I need to add an accidental? Absolutely. Is it a courtesy accidental? No, it's a true accidental, right? So you have to add that, no parentheses. C flat 4. Okay, so that goes down here. So I don't know if that tricked anyone and you put C up here. But remember, the octave designations change between B and C. So this is actually C flat 4 down here. Okay, number 9 is B4. So that goes here, but notice it's not B flat. And there's a flat here. So I have to add a natural sign. Can I add parentheses in front of this natural sign? No, because this is not a courtesy accidental. You have to put this natural sign in order for people to know you mean B4. Number 10, G double flat 5. So G5 is up here, and then double flat will be like this. And then we have a G flat 5. Now sometimes students will do this. They'll say, I need to raise this double flat to become a G flat, so I'm going to do this. But that's actually incorrect because G sharp is a completely different note. So we need to just make sure we use the same accidental, so this will just be a flat symbol. And then number 12 is G flat 4, so that goes here, and we'll put the flat in front of there. Okay, so accidentals can get a little tricky, but they're just a couple of rules you have to remember. The accidentals are localized, meaning that they only occur in that specific octave designation. And once you have a bar line, it gets rid of all accidentals. So to be nice, you can add a courtesy accidental, add it with parentheses or without, or you can not put in the courtesy accidentals, but it is nice to add them. If you have any questions about this exercise, please reread section 2.2. You've now completed the tutorial for practice 2.2D. Thank you for watching.